Mains 2026 memory based questions. So January 2026, 23rd January 2026 morning session 9 to 12 noon mathematics. So paper memory based questions analysis. If x power 4 dy plus 4x cube y plus 2 sin x dx is equal to 0 and f of pi by 2 equal to 0, then the value of pi by 4 f of pi by 3 where y is equal to f of x. X power 4 y dy plus 4x cube y dx is equal to minus 2 sin x dx. Now integrating on both sides. So integral derivative of x power 4 y is equal to integral minus 2 sin x dx. Now x power 4 y is equal to 2 cos x plus c. Now here x power 4 y means f of x is equal to 2 cos x plus c, where f of pi by 2 equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2, y equal to 0, then c is equal to 0. Now f of pi by 3 equal to pi by 3 whole power 4, f of pi by 3 is equal to 2 cos pi by 3. Pi by 4 f of pi by 3 is equal to 81. The answer is 81. Second question. Let a equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and r be the relation defined on the set A such that r is equal to set of x comma y. So maps 2x plus y less than or equal to minus 2, x comma y belongs to A. Let L is number of elements in R, M number of minimum number of elements to be added to R to make the reflexive relations, N minimum number of elements be added R to make the symmetric relation, then L plus M plus N is. Here R is equal relation, so minus 2 comma A, minus 1 comma B, 0 comma minus 2. Now A belongs to set of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 3. B belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0. Number of elements in R, so 5 plus 3 plus 1, that is equal to 9, that is L. Now again R symmetric, R is equal to minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, so on. So minimum number of the element added to make the reflective, so 5 minus M. So minimum number of elements to added to symmetric, 5 is equal to N. So R is equal to minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2. Now finally L plus M plus N is equal to 9 plus 5 plus 3, that is equal to 17. Answer is 17. Good question. Find the area bounded y is equal to maximum of set of sin x cos x when x belongs to 0 to 3 pi by 2 with x axis. So we know that sine graph and cross graph. So sine, so passing through the origin. So cos not passing through the origin. This is the two graphs. Now only minimum, maximum. So this area is the maximum. Now here first the 0 to pi by 4. So 0 to pi by 4, that is the cos x dx. Next pi by 4 to pi by 4 to pi. So this area, now this is the only sin x dx. Next pi to 5 pi by 4, so that is minus sin x dx. 3 pi by 2 to 5 pi by 4 minus cos x dx. So cos x, that is sin x, 0 to pi by 4, sin x integration cos x, so bound x pi by 2 pi by 4. Now minus sin x, that is cos x, pi to 5 pi by 4, minus cos x, that is sin x, 3 pi by 2 5 pi by 4. Now substitute the bounds. Now 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2. Both 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gets cancelled. The answer is 3. So number 4. Let x square by 2 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1 and y is equal to x plus 1 intersect each other at A and B. Then angle OAB, angle AOB is where O is the center of the ellipse. Now this is the ellipse. Here A point is 0, 1, B 2, 0. So B is by solving line and equation of the ellipse, we get x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4 by 3. The B point is here minus 4 by 3, minus 1 by 3. So slope of OB equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by 4. Angle AOB is equal to pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2, where theta is tan inverse 1 by 4. The question number 5. If determinant of 0, cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha 0, cos gamma, cos beta, cos gamma 0 is equal to 1 cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha 1, cos gamma, cos beta, cos gamma 1, then the value of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to. Here, this is the skew symmetry matrix. Determinant of skew symmetric matrix is 0. So this is only this one. So here this is x, this is y, 1. So here 1 x y, x 1 z, z y z x 1. So determinant of this one, this is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1, where x is equal to cos alpha, y is equal to cos beta, z is equal to cos gamma, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Question number 6. The value of integral minus integral integration pi by 4 to 3 5 by 4 1 by 1 plus square root of tan 2x dx is. So this is the first principle, is equal to integration pi by 4 to 5 by 4 1 by 1 plus root tan 2x dx. Now, so this is the first principle formula. Now the shortcut b minus a by 2. Now here 1 by 2. Now what is b? So here 5 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, that is 4 pi by 24. So 4 ones 4 6, that is equal to pi by 12 is the answer. So direct to formula. So that is the first principle sum. Question number 7. The number of 4-letter word with or without meaning formed by from the letters of the word P Q R S S S T T U V V V is. Case 1. 3 alike, 1 different. That is the formation of 1C1 into 6C1, 4 factorial by 3 factorial, that is 24. Case 2. 2 alike. So 2 alike. So 2 alike means 3 pairs can be selected to 3C2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, that is 18. Case 3. 2 alike, 2 different. So 3 groups can be be selected 3C1. So remaining 6C2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 540. Case 4. All 4 different. So 4 different letters can be selected 4 letters 7C4 into 4 factorial 840. Total, so 24 plus 18 plus 540 plus 840, that is equal to 1422. 8th question. The value of 100C0 by 51 plus 100C51 by 52 plus so on 100C 100 by 101 is. So the series S is equal to summation of R is equal to 50 to 100, 100C R by R plus 1. Now here summation of R is equal to 50 to 100, 1 by R plus 1. 100C R means R plus 1 by 101 into 101C R plus 1 and square. R plus 1 gets cancelled. 1 by 101 summation of R is equal to 50 to 100, 101C R plus 1. Now we know that sum of the binomial coefficients. So 1 by 101, 2 power n minus 1, 2 power 101 by 2, that is equal to 2 power 100 by 101 is the answer. 9th question. If 3 less than equal to 2z plus 3 of 1 plus I less than equal to 7, and if minimum and maximum value of modulus of z plus 1 by 2 5 plus 3i is alpha and beta respectively, alpha plus 3 beta is. Now here 3 less than equal to 2 beta plus 3 of 1 plus I less than equal to 7 means 3 by 2 less than equal to z plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 I less than equal to 7 by 2. So this is the circle. So here z plus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 I. So this is another circle. this is the maximum minimum values is here 1 plus 7 by 2, that is 9 by 2 is the maximum value. So minimum value beta is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 9 by 2 plus 1, that is 11 by 2 is the answer. Question number 10. For given vectors a equal to a bar equal to minus I plus j plus 2k, b bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k, where c equal to a cross b, d equal to c cross b, then the value of a minus b dot d is. So here d is equal to c cross b. What is c? A cross b. Now a cross b cross b. So a cross b cross b, we know that formula a dot b into b minus b dot b into a. So d is equal to, here a dot b is minus 1, mod a square is equal to 6, mod b square is equal to 6. So a dot b equal to minus 1, that is minus b bar minus 6a bar. So a minus b dot minus b minus 6a. So here a minus b dot d value, so d is minus b minus 6a. Now minus a dot b minus 6 modulus of a square plus modulus of b square plus 6a dot b. So 5a dot b mod b square minus 6 modulus of a square. 5 a dot b is minus 1 and minus 5 mod b square is 6. 6 into mod a square is equal to 6, that is 36. The answer is minus 35. 11th question. Let A163 and point B and C lies on the line x by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 2 by 3, where B 4, 9 alpha and point C is 10 units from B. Find the area of triangle ABC. Here the line 4 by 1, 9 minus 1 by 2 minus is equal to alpha minus 2 by 3, then alpha is equal to 14. Now this is A point, this is B point, this is C. So D point is lambda 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2. So AD is perpendicular to BC. AD dot I plus 2j plus 3k is equal to 0. Now so perpendicular dot product lambda minus 1 into I plus 2 lambda plus 5 into j plus 3 lambda minus k into minus 1 into k, that is equal to AD. So lambda minus 1 plus 4 lambda minus 10 plus 9 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. 14 lambda is equal to 14 lambda is equal to 1. The D point is 135. Now AD is equal to, so that is root 13. Area of triangle half into base into height. So half into AD root 13, height is 10, that is equal to 5 root 13 is the answer. 12th question. A rectangle is formed by the lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. A line is perpendicular to 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. It divides the rectangle into two equal parts. Then the distance of the line from the point 1 minus 1 comma 3 by 2 is. Now here m is equal to 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. A line is perpendicular to 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 passing through the point 3 by 2 comma 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 3 by 2. So 3y minus 6 is equal to 4x minus 6. 3y is equal to 4x. 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. Distance from minus 1 comma 3 by 2. Now d is equal to minus 4 minus 9 by 2 by root over 4 square plus 3 square, 17 by 10. The answer is 17. If two numbers, 13th question, if two numbers a and b are selected from s 1, 2, 3, so on 100, then the probability that modulus of a minus b greater than or equal to 10. Now s is equal to two numbers are selected, the sample space is 100 square, so 1000. Now the probability modulus of a minus b greater than or equal to 10, that means 2 of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on 90, that is equal to 819. The answer is 819 by 1000. 14th question. If integral e power x of x square minus 2 by root over 1 plus x of 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 dx, that is equal to f of x plus c, f of 0 is equal to 1 and f of 1 by 2 is. Now f of x is equal to integral e power x of x square minus 2 by root of 1 plus x into 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 dx. Now integral e power x into x square minus 1 by root over x plus 1 into 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2. Now f of x is equal to minus of e power x, the root of 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus 1 by the root of 1 plus x into 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 dx. Now here that is equal to e power minus x root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus lambda f of x plus c. According to the given question, f of 0 equal to 1, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. F of x is equal to 2 minus e power x root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now f of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 minus root 3e, the answer. Question number 15. So variants are given as minus 10, minus 7, minus 1, x, y, 2, 9, 16. If mean is 7 by 2, variance is 293 by 4. Find the mean of 1 plus x plus y, x, y, modulus of y minus x is. We know that mean sum of the all values by 8 is equal to 7 by 3. Now x plus y is equal to 28. X plus y plus 9 is equal to 28. The variance. So we know that formula sigma x square by n minus x bar whole square is equal to, now అన్నిటి స్క్వేర్ చేసి by 8 minus 7 by 2 is equal to 293 by 4. Now solving 1 and 2, x is equal to 12, y is equal to 7. The mean of 1 plus x plus y, x, y, modulus of y minus x, 20 plus 12 plus 7 plus 5 by 4, 44 by 4, the answer is 11. 16th question. If f of x whole square is equal to 25 plus integral 0 to x f of x whole square plus f dash x whole square dx, find the mean of f of log L plus f of log 2 plus so on f of log 625. Now 2f of x, now here derivative on both sides, 2f of x into f dash x is equal to f square of x plus f dash of x whole square. Now f of x minus f dash x whole square is equal to 0. Now f of x is equal to f dash x. Log of f of x means log of f of x is equal to x plus c. Now f of x is equal to c dash e power x. Now f of 0 is equal to 5, f of x is equal to 5 e power x. The mean is equal to f of log 1, f of plus f of log 2 plus so on f of log 625 by 625 means, so 5 into 1 plus 2 plus so on 625 by 625. The answer is 1565. Question number 17. The number of solutions of the equation root 3 cos 2 theta plus 8 cos theta plus 3 root 3 equal to 0 in theta is belongs to minus 3 pi to 2 pi. We know that cos 2 theta formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now simplification, root 3 into 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 8 cos theta plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. 2 root 3 cos square theta plus 8 cos theta plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. We know that factors, root 3 of cos theta plus 1 cos theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. Cos theta equal to minus 1 by root 3. So it's impossible. So there is no solution. Cos theta is equal to minus root 3. So that is reject. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Theta will 5 values minus 3 pi to 2 pi. So the answer is 5. 18th question. If a square matrix order 3 that A equal to 6, if determinant of adjoint of 3 adjoint of A square adjoint of 2A that is equal to 2 power n 3 power n. Mn are the natural numbers. Find m plus n. Adjoint x denote the adjoint of the matrix. So mod x is the denote the determinant of the x. Now first adjoint to A. Adjoint to A means 2 square adjoint A. So we know that adjoint K formula, adjoint K power n minus 1 adjoint A. 4 adjoint A. Now here A square adjoint to A. That means 4A adjoint A. So 4A det A into I3. So 24A. Now 3 adjoint of A square adjoint to A. That means 3 adjoint of 24A. Now 3 24 square adjoint A. Now determinant of adjoint of 3 adjoint of A square adjoint to A equal to adjoint of 2 adjoint of 3 into 24 whole square into adjoint A. Now here, so 3 into 24 whole square adjoint of adjoint A. So 3 power 6, so 2 power 12 adjoint of adjoint A. 3 power 6, 2 power 12 whole cube adjoint of adjoint A. 3 power 18, 2 power 36 adjoint A for 4. 3 power 22, 2 power 40. Then m is equal to 22, n is equal to 40. The answer is 62. Question number 20. If the expansion of 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x square whole square, 1 plus x whole power n, the coefficient of x square and x cube are the arithmetic progression, then the small sum of all possible values of n, if n is greater than or equal to 3. X power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. Now 1 plus x whole power n, nc naught x power n plus nc1 x plus nc2 x square plus nc3 so on. The coefficient of x is equal to nc1. The coefficient of x square is equal to 2 plus nc2, 2 plus n into n minus 1 by 2. The coefficient of x cube is 2 into nc1 plus nc3, that is equal to 2n plus n into n minus 1, n minus 2 by 6. According to the question, so ABC and AP, 2b is equal to a plus c, 2b is equal to a plus c. The simplification 3n plus n into n minus 1, n minus 2 by 6 is equal to 4 plus n of n plus 1. N cube minus 9n square plus 26n minus 24 equal to 0. The n is factors 2, 3, 4. So if n greater than or equal to 3, n is 2 is rejected. Sum of the values 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. The question number 19. If y is equal to log 5, log 3, log 7, 9x minus x square minus 13. If it is domain m and n and x square by y square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, it hyperbola having the eccentricity n by 3, length of the lattice rectum is 8m by 3, find b square minus m square. So this is the logarithm function, this value is positive, so this is positive. Now here 3 power 0, 1, now 9x minus x square minus 13 greater than 7, x square minus 9x plus 20 less than 0. Now x belongs to 4 comma 5, so m is equal to 4, n is equal to 5. Now eccentricity equal to root over 1 plus b square by a square, that is equal to 5 by 3. B square by a square is equal to 25 by 9 minus 1, that is 16 by 9. B by a is equal to 4 by 3. 2b by a is equal to 8m by 3. 2b square by a equal to 32 by 3. 2b square is equal to 32 by a into 3 by 4. Now b is equal to 4, a is equal to 3. B square minus a square is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7.